viewers, suppose you want a paragraph text into this borderline. So what you need to do, firstly, obviously you will just go to the selection option and you just go to the text bar, Ctrl T and paste it. Oh, it doesn't happening. I actually wanting this whole text to be here, but it's not working. So have you guys ever feel these kinds of problem? There's a solution, obviously. Let's just delete out. Let's just deselect all of the thing. So let's just come to the text, or you may use the keyboard T to go to the text tool. So and hold the shift button and drag the mouse like this. Suppose this borderline is okay with for me. Okay, so you wanna write, or you wanna align up text here. So for this I have copied some text and I'm gonna paste it here. Ooh, now you can see the whole of the text is just eased under the borderline. It is not just going to there, it is not just going to here, as I wanted to, as I wanted it to be placed here easily. So this is very easy work to, this is how you automatically align the text into a square using this thing. Thank you, thanks for watching.